dipole stability. It is very important topic for the CBSE exams. It is asked in various years. It is asked in various years the dipole stability. This is very interesting topic and this is also very simple topic. Now we are discussing the dipole stability. If any external field is present, this is the external electric field. This is the external electric field. E. Uniform electric field. This is the uniform electric field E, and a dipole is placed here, in this direction. This is the positive Q, and this is the minus Q. Here the dipole is placed, and this is the center of the dipole, and the total distances is, here is L and here is L. This is the center, and this is L and this is L. The dipole is in stable condition. How we can understand the dipole is in a stable condition? The stability can be measured in the terms of potential energy. If the system has the minimum potential energy, then it is called in stable condition, and if the potential energy have maximum condition, then it is called the unstable condition. If we are placing this dipole in this condition, what is the direction of electric field? Direction of electric field is this. What is the direction of dipole? Negative to positive. This is the direction of the dipole P. It means the direction of electric field is this, and the dipole direction is this. The angle between this is theta. What is the formula for the potential energy of the dipole? What is the formula for potential energy? U is equal to PE cos theta 1 minus cos theta 2. This is the formula for the potential energy. Now, if then we placing this dipole in a stable condition. How is a stable condition? How we show the stable condition? This is the stable condition of the dipole. If we are, this is the external electric field, and the dipole is placed in such way. This is the dipole. This is the negative charge, and this is the positive charge. This is the direction of the dipole, and this is the direction of the electric field. The direction of electric field and the dipole. The direction of electric field and the direction of the dipole is same. It means this is a stable condition. The angle between P and E is zero. Then dipole is called stable condition. Dipole is called stable condition. How we can understand the unstable condition? Because now we can understand this theory of stability. QE, force is acting this direction. QE, force is acting this direction. This QE and this QE is cancelled out, and because the dipole has no external force in this state, and this state to be known as stable condition of the dipole. Now, unstable condition of the dipole. What is the case of unstable condition? If the dipole is placed in such a pattern, this is the condition of the dipole. This is the stable condition of the dipole. If electric field, if this is external electric field, and the dipole is placed in such a way, the dipole minus Q and this is plus Q. This is the dipole. The direction of the dipole is here, and the direction of the electric field is here. The angle between dipole and electric field is 180 degree. Then it is called unstable. Now we can understand what is unstable. The force acting on this dipole in this direction, this is minus Q, and the force acting on this dipole in this direction, Q into. and the force acting on this dipole is Q into. These two forces forming a couple and to rotate in the external electric field. Because of that particular region, the dipole will be turning effect. Because of that, this is unstable.